Welcome back to our channel. In this updated video, we'll show you how to prevent others from finding you by your phone number in X. Let's dive right in. Step 1. To begin, open the X app on your Android device. Locate the app icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Next, at the top left corner of the screen, you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Now, within your profile settings, look for the option Setting and Support and tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Within the Setting and Support menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to continue. Step 5. Great. Now, within the Settings and Privacy section, you'll see Privacy and Safety. Tap on it to access further privacy options. Step 6. Within the Privacy and Safety settings, look for the option Discoverability and Contacts and tap on it. Step 7. Finally, within the Discoverability and Contacts menu, you'll find the option Let Others Find You by Your Phone. Simply turn it off to prevent others from finding you by your phone number in X. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your privacy and prevent others from finding you by your phone number in X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching.